Short video here on a cartridge bearing press for a bicycle wheel I made using a quick release. Basically, you've got quick release, socket as a spacer, piece of wood so the socket's not right up against the hub. Other side, this bearing has already been pressed in. Old bearing to press in up against the new one. Socket as a spacer, and basically you just tighten it, and you tighten it, it just pushes the bearing in. I can show it to you off the wheel. Just take 1 second here. Alright, there you go. Quick release, socket, piece of wood, old bearing to press up against the new one, another socket as a spacer, and the cap to the quick release. And that's it. Pretty easy.